This one is smooth and this one is shivers. This video is about these peel-off nail paints from Colorbar. How much do they cost, where you can get it, I'll mention every detail in the description box. Like every girl, I fancy color on my nails, but unfortunately I cannot bear the smell of nail paint remover. Therefore it kept me at bay from trying colors on my nails. Then I went ahead and asked Google Baba if he had any solution to my problem, and ta-da! I found this in my search bar. It is like an easy crafty thing. You apply it and you take it off like a sticker. What better than that could be? Although I found them a little pricey, but then one is smooth and this one is shiver. It also takes off all the extra effort you would be doing by applying a nail paint, taking it off and putting another one. If I happen not to enjoy the color or the color is not suiting the outfit I'm wearing, I have all the privilege peeling it off right then and there. I'll quickly demonstrate how to use it. Before you apply any of the nail paint, don't forget to exfoliate your skin, like exfoliate your hands and your feet while you do it. Here I'm using VLCC's walnut shell powder lemongrass oil. It doesn't belong to me. ये मैंने अपनी mom के drawer से निकाला है. Exfoliation helps you remove the dead skin, makes your skin softer, and obviously, who doesn't like baby soft hands? Use any of the scrub. I'm using this because this was available at my home. Scrubbing is also going to help you take off the yellowness of your nails if there is any. I didn't have any, but just saying. It will also help you push the cuticles back very gently. After scrubbing off, you know what you have to do next? Just moisturize the skin around. Alright, मुद्दे की बात पे आते हैं, जिसके लिए वीडियो बनाई है. Apply it gently like you color a coloring book. Try not to go out of the nail, but if it does, तो क्या हो गया? क्लियर कर लेना जैसे मैं कर रही हूँ. The moment of reality, it did take more than I expected it to dry off, but here's the pop of color on my nail. And while I was applying and trying to be a nail artist, which I'm not, I end up ruining some of it and it did bleed here. I don't know why. It seemed like a dye when it leaked like that. So because this is the most spoiled one, the absolutely correct finger, which is spoiled one, I'll just see if it is easy to peel it. Yes, it is. Wow. It is a bit sticky, but coming out very easily with just a little of scratch. Exactly how like a Fevicol if I apply on my nail would come out. And here's my nail. Oh, not spick and span, but this is like, I'll remove it, okay? I am not recommending it because somebody has asked me to recommend it. I am indeed recommending it because I know there are a lot of lazy girls like me out there who need a savior like this in their life. So here I come towards the closure of the video. Which color did you like better? Please do mention that in the comment section. This is it for this video, guys. I'll see you another time with another video. It's your girl Jazz signing off. Please turn that black button blue, hit the subscription button and उस घंटी को भी बजा दो ताकि जब भी मैं आऊँ आपको मेरे आने की आवाज़ मेरे आते ही आ जाए.